All right, well, I'm back. I'm just turning around in that place you can rent. Nobody here so far, but the gates was open. So I came on. I'll start using it now. Golly, it's amazing how things have changed over the years. Sam is here. This is the 4th of July. And Sam is staying with his friends, and I'll let you know when that comes up. But on the way, we're just going to look at some people's property. Watch the road. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love next door. Beautiful. Oh, was it Stevenson's place? The old days. And I think up here is this where we kind of thought that it's going to be hard to put any place in like here, and somebody found a way to put in a trailer and it worked. I thought there was no way with the drainage and stuff, but they made it work. Got lots up here that were rented or sold. I remember they're coming to the auction. And then here's where we always, Leslie, is this where we said we person that works on television, whatever, anchorman or somebody, aren't they supposed to live there? The Jacksons live there. All right, now here is this where Sandy was looking at 2 lots and so forth? I think so. And they've just got the one. Not sure. That's Leslie. All right. Look at that one. There's where the mayor lived at, right? And here's where Sam is staying. Sam is staying here. No, Sam is staying here. They're staying Sam's red car. So he's in that house there. Okay. They're probably done out there on the water. All right. And then you pull down this street to go to Lincoln Leslie's. There you go.